Okay, so I'm going to make a quick tutorial of EXO-SC 1 billion views challenge. So you have to have a phone first, another phone. But I'm recording this tutorial using my phone and I have no other phone, so I'm using another thing that looks like a phone. The first thing is like this. Shibok, when the lyric is Shibok, Shibok, you make your hand like this, you point a finger and then your phone. Shibok. When the lyric is view, Shibok, view. You make, so when your hands like this, view, you make an L sign, view, and you tilt your phone like this. Shibok, view. And after this, you have to make it like this. Shibok, view, and then tilt the phone again like this. Shibok, view, Okay, after this, you open your finger and then you twist your phone and then do it like this. So while you twist your hand, you have to twist your another hand. So your phone is facing like this, your hand is facing like this, because this is weird. So it's like this. Shibok, 좋아요. When the lyric is 좋아요, you have to put out your hidden hands like this. So it's like 좋아요, like it. Let's repeat it. Shibok, 좋아요. Okay, and then after this, you have to make it apart like this again. And then you put your hand up, your right hand up, and then you press. It's like pressing a like button. Cha cha. And then you put your phone like this, and then make a wave. So it's like 좋아요, shibok. The second part, shibok again, like the first one, shibok, and then make another wave, and then point your phone again, shibok, and then it's like make your phone down like this, and then put your phone up, and then put it like this, move it from this. So when you put it down, you put it up again, and then you move your phone to your elbow, and then you have to tilt down your arm like this. So when it's here, you make it like this and then make it go down. So let's repeat the second part. Shibok, 좋아요 again. Whenever the lyric is 좋아요, you have to make this pose, 좋아요, and then after 좋아요, you have to make your phone hit your hand like tap, and then you hit it back again, tap. So it's like dang, dang. So just hit it slowly. You don't need to hurt your hands or something. So you have to do it like really enjoy the move. Shibok, 좋아요, and then after you hit it twice, you have to it's like pressing like a like button a few times, but we do it 4 times only. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then shake your phone. Okay, let's repeat the second part. Shibok, 좋아요, Let's repeat from the very beginning. Shibok, 좋아요, shibok, 좋아요, That's it. Heaven, let's make it trending. Good luck, EXO-Ls.